Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with a brand new video. And today I am going to be opening up my brand new Rubik's Cube. Don't know what it looks like, but hopefully it looks good and better than the old one. If you haven't seen my one video about what happened to my Rubik's Cube, go check that out. If you want to see how to make a checker pattern, go check that out. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this box. I just got it in the mail today. So let's go ahead. Ooh. So it's all like gold laminated. There's like a little thank you note. Let's go. Oh, there it is. So here is my brand new Rubik's Cube. Way faster than the old one. Yeah. Like literally way faster than my old Rubik's Cube that you got to go see the video to see what happened to it. But I'm actually going to show you how to do something else with the Rubik's Cube with my brand new one, since I can't do it with my old one. So what you're going to do is we're going to make all the centers different colors from the actual, you'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and do it right now. Like this. All sides. Now I had to unsolve it. Just the easy part. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So go to any face, like my husband. I'm gonna do it the white face at first. What I'm gonna do, you're gonna rotate this up or down. Then you're going to turn to the side. Then you're going to go up. Then you're going to go to the side again. And then you should have it. And then you're going to do the same exact thing to unsolve it. So you're going to go that way, that way, that way, that way. So I just unsolved it with my brand new Rubik's Cube. So it's way faster at doing these. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and get a good mix up. See if I can solve this. Shoot. I think I messed it up. Shoot. Yeah, I really don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'm just going to go ahead and mess it up. But yeah, there's my first scramble on my Rubik's Cube. Really don't know how to solve one. Shouldn't be easy to solve. But yeah. Easier at mixing it up. I don't know about solving, but yeah. So yeah, here is the box again, without the cube inside. This is what the top says. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you for today. But now it's time to show you guys about the basements. So, what I've been doing all year so far is I've been working on the basement. Cleaning it out and all this. And then putting the lights back up right here and stuff for the kids' arcade. Always at the end of the year for parties and stuff. So I'm gonna come over here to the bar looking for something. There it is. So here is beyond the bar. A little messy because my friend hasn't been here for a while. Trying to dang it. I think they are. So I don't know. But I think these are lights. Right here, this orange, oh, there's a spider. Orange things right there. I think they really are spider webs. So, I mean, not spider webs, lights. So you got the crafts table, you got all my stuff right here. There's the disco table, you got the keyboard. Hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this sucker in. Turn it down. Alright, I'm gonna flip it towards me. Now you won't be able to see me play. I need to sit down and play so you guys can see me. Alright. Alright. Alright, here we go. The warm up. Don't know what this is. Breaking key. Okay. So this is just in case if I make a scary game ever. Here is Michael Myers. Turn this one up. This is my one song I know how to play. Now, I actually want you to see the movement of how I played the songs. It's like a good view, but I'm just trying to figure out a good... Hold on a sec. I can buy me a brand new rock and roll. Where can buy me? Yeah, that's way good. Hold on a sec. But I can buy me a brand new rock and roll. Yeah, I ain't gluing. Oh, this should work. I just gotta take off the one thing. Yeah, sorry guys about that. But this should work to get some notes and maybe not. But look. phone. But I feel like that's good. Maybe I'll flip it the other way and then flip it this way. Maybe I'll be able. No, maybe if I go. Maybe if I do like a head-on view. That better? Is that better, guys? See. That's not gonna work. Maybe. That's like right here. Maybe if I get something right. Okay, what about this? Now that's gonna face up. Instead of probably grabbing these. Can make it, yeah. Way perfect. It's way better, wow. Now you actually see a full-on view of me playing. Let's go. Alright, where do you go? Okay, that's Johnny Johnny. I'm gonna get it to a good 33. Whew. 33. There's the violin. 17. 18. 19. Alright, who wants to know how to play a song? Yeah?
Come here real quick, let me show you.
Yeah. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, see ya. sorry about that, guys. Dang, 22 minutes. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry, I just had to do something. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to get notified of any other videos I make. Also, leave a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.